Hi, I'm Alec, this is first tutorial and song Zombie. Perhaps you know original chords, this is E, M, C, G, and these strange chords, I don't know, this B or D, whatever, okay. But usually I use another chords, I think it's more beautiful, and this is A, F, C, and G. So
another head and slowly, child is slowly taken. The violence caused such silence. Who are we mistaken? A, N, C, G, F, C, G. Chords. In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. What in your head, zombie, zombie, zombie.
So about chords, this is A, M, F major, C major, and G major. Yeah, I know, this is strange chords, but are very easy to play. Easy, very easy. So it's all, just 4 chords. You can't use standard chords or I suggest chords. And please like or dislike as you wish. Don't forget to subscribe, and good luck. Thank you very much. This is another song, this is empty.